In 2004, off the coast of Mexico, a group of pilots encountered something extraordinary. During a routine training mission, they spotted multiple unidentified flying objects darting through the sky. These weren't just any ordinary aircraft. They exhibited incredible speed and agility, defying the laws of physics as we know them. The pilots, part of the Mexican Air Force, captured stunning infrared footage of these crafts, showcasing their erratic movements and sudden stops. What's fascinating is that these sightings were corroborated by radar data, leaving experts baffled. The government later released the footage, igniting a wave of speculation about extraterrestrial life. Could these be advanced military technology, or something beyond our understanding? The incident remains one of the most compelling UFO encounters in history, challenging our perceptions of what's possible in our skies. On March 5, 2004, a routine military reconnaissance mission over Campeche, Mexico, turned into something extraordinary. A Mexican Air Force surveillance plane, equipped with advanced infrared cameras, detected 11 mysterious objects flying in perfect formation. These objects were invisible to the naked eye, yet their heat signatures stood out vividly on the infrared sensors. What were they? Secret military crafts, perhaps? Or natural phenomena that defy explanation? The pilots were left in awe, grappling with the reality of what they had witnessed. This incident raises profound questions about our understanding of the skies above us. Were we witnessing advanced technology, or is there something beyond our comprehension? The 2004 Mexico UFO incident remains an enigma, challenging our perceptions of what is possible. El 5 de marzo de 2004, volaba en un C-26 a Merlin sobre Campeche, parte de una misión de patrullaje anti-narcóticos. Con los ojos en la pantalla, los FLIR revelaban un mundo oculto. De repente, 11 objetos esféricos brillantes aparecieron, moviéndose a velocidades que desafiaban la lógica. No eran aviones ni drones, y su maniobrabilidad era asombrosa. La adrenalina subió mientras el equipo intentaba entender lo que estábamos viendo. ¿Eran naves experimentales? ¿O algo más allá de nuestra comprensión? La emoción de lo desconocido llenaba la cabina.
Este encuentro no solo fue un desafío a la razón, sino un recordatorio de que el cielo guarda secretos que aún no hemos descifrado.
I was up there, thousands of feet above the ground, when it happened. The infrared camera picked up these objects unseen by our naked eyes and completely off the radar. They glided silently, almost teasingly, as we squinted into the vastness of the sky, searching for something, anything, to confirm what we were seeing. It was surreal. The instruments were flashing, indicating movement, but all we had was the emptiness of the blue above. Confusion settled in. What were they? Were they advanced technology or something else entirely? The tension in the cockpit was palpable as we tried to reconcile what we saw on the screen with the stark reality outside. It felt like a scene from a sci-fi movie, but this was real. The unknown loomed, and we were left with more questions than answers. As the aircraft adjusted course, a sudden shift in the atmosphere sent a chill through the cabin. Out of nowhere, objects began to materialize around us, strange, shimmering shapes that danced in the sky. My heart raced as I glanced at my fellow crew members. Their faces mirrored my own disbelief and alarm. We were trained for emergencies, but nothing could prepare us for this. The instruments went haywire, beeping frantically as if they too sensed the anomaly. I could feel the tension in the air, thick and electric. Were we witnessing something extraordinary, or was it a trick of the mind? The crew exchanged worried glances, each of us silently questioning what we were seeing. In that moment, the line between reality and the unknown blurred, leaving us on the edge of fear and fascination. As I sat in the cockpit, the tension was palpable. Major Magdaleno Castagnon, our pilot in command, was visibly shaken. He described the event as unlike anything we've seen before, and I couldn't agree more. Suddenly, we spotted an object darting through the sky, defying every law of physics we knew. One of my fellow crew members leaned in, eyes wide, and said it was as if they were playing with us, moving in ways no conventional aircraft could. La reciente decisión del ejército mexicano de hacer público un vídeo ha captado la atención del mundo entero. Es inusual que una institución militar comparta información de esta naturaleza, lo que añade un aire de misterio y urgencia al asunto. El secretario de Defensa de México ha confirmado el incidente, lo que le otorga un peso significativo a la situación. Este acto de transparencia no solo despierta curiosidad, sino que también plantea preguntas sobre la seguridad nacional y la relación entre el gobierno y sus ciudadanos. ¿Qué más nos están revelando? ¿Estamos ante un cambio en la forma en que se manejan los asuntos militares? La comunidad internacional observa con atención y es evidente que este evento podría marcar un antes y un después en la comunicación entre las Fuerzas Armadas y la sociedad. Some scientists have suggested that the mysterious lights we often see in the sky could be ball lightning, electrical discharges, or even atmospheric plasma. These phenomena are fascinating in their own right, showcasing the complexity of our atmosphere. But then there are those who think outside the box, proposing that these lights might actually be secret U.S. military drones or experimental aircraft. Imagine that. High-tech machines flying under the radar, testing new technologies while we gaze up in wonder. Whether it's nature's own light show or cutting-edge military tech, the truth remains elusive. Each theory adds a layer of intrigue, reminding us that the skies still hold many secrets waiting to be uncovered. UFO researchers have drawn fascinating parallels between recent infrared recorded sightings and historical cases. The patterns are striking. Unexplained movements, sudden accelerations, and the ability to hover silently. This suggests we might be looking at advanced technology, possibly beyond our current understanding. Some speculate it could be extraterrestrial in origin, hinting at civilizations far more advanced than ours. Imagine the implications. If these sightings are indeed linked to unknown technologies, what does that mean for our understanding of physics or even our place in the universe? The mystery deepens, and as we gather more data, the questions only multiply. Are we on the brink of a groundbreaking discovery, or are we simply chasing shadows in the night sky? The incident remains shrouded in mystery, a moment that defies explanation. Imagine military personnel trained to observe and analyze, capturing an object on radar that moves with a speed and agility beyond our understanding. This wasn't just a fleeting glimpse. It was a sustained encounter, documented with precision. Pilots reported seeing a craft performing maneuvers that would crush any human pilot under the G-forces. Despite extensive investigations, no conclusive explanation emerged. The data collected is compelling, leaving us to wonder, what did they witness? This event stands as one of the most credible UFO encounters ever recorded, challenging our perceptions of reality and igniting curiosity about what lies beyond our world. The truth remains elusive, but the intrigue only deepens. That night in 2004, the Mexican Air Force was drawn into an extraordinary encounter that still baffles experts today. Pilots reported multiple unidentified flying objects on radar, moving with astonishing speed and agility, defying the laws of physics as we know them. What were these crafts? Advanced military technology, perhaps? Or could they be natural phenomena like atmospheric anomalies? Some speculate they might even be evidence of extraterrestrial life, challenging our understanding of the universe. The footage captured that night is both mesmerizing and perplexing, showing lights darting across the sky in ways that seem impossible. As we sift through the evidence, one thing is clear. The truth behind the 2004 Mexico UFO incident remains one of the greatest aerial mysteries of our time, leaving us questioning what else might be out there.